Coming up in this video, I've got 6 absolutely banging tonic waters that you should try with this gin. This is Puerto de India's Strawberry Gin from Spain. It is absolutely lovely. It's going to be huge in summer of 2019. So if you want to know what tonic waters to sort of try out with it, then stay tuned. Hey, Steve the Barman here, and this channel is predominantly all about helping you to drink, enjoy and serve better quality drinks. Primarily focusing on gin and tonic and gin cocktails. But if you like the sound of that, if you like what I'm doing, then I'd really appreciate you hitting that magical subscribe button. Welcome back, gin fans, and this is part 2 of the 3-part mini-series all about Puerto de India's. Let me know if I'm saying it wrong. I'm sorry if I've offended loads of Spanish people in that. I don't really speak other languages, but there we go. So there's Strawberry Gin from Seville. It's absolutely lovely. Video 1 was giving you a bit of a review about it and tell you what it tastes like. This video is all about the tonic water serve. So let's get straight into it. The first tonic water that I'm going to go with is, do you know what? Just a plain, absolutely cracking tonic water. Because of the sort of sweetness involved in the actual gin itself, do you know what? 1783 or Fever Tree both worked equally as well. I couldn't really split them, to be fair. So that is going to make you an absolutely lovely classic sort of strawberry gin and tonic. That's where to go for that one. So that's number 1. Number 2, again, you'll be recognising I'm going to bring all 3 out here. I keep mentioning, just in case you've not seen any of my videos before, we're going sort of the whole Mediterranean kind of floralness going on there. This is Fever Tree's Refreshingly Light. If that's not your flavour profile, and if you can't get normal Fever Tree's Mediterranean tonic, then I highly recommend you getting Merchant's Heart floral tonic water. It's an absolutely lovely tonic water, a bit more expensive, way more bubbles and effervescence and flavour for me than Fever Tree's. However, it is over double the price, so I know a lot of you are going to revert to that. However, what I keep saying is there's just absolutely no comparison between the two there. For me, I'm not a huge fan of that Refreshingly Light at all, but I do really like their normal full fat version. So that's number 2. Absolutely love that. Ocado Sainsbury's for that one. Most supermarkets will do that. In the Refreshingly Light, the bigger ones will do both if you can get hold of them. So that's the second one. This is where we start to get a bit crazy now. The third one, and actually, do you know what? These are all kind of flavours now coming up, but this one, just for me, works an absolute treat. This is Merchant's Heart. This is their pink, let's just turn it around there. This is their pink peppercorn tonic water. Just that little bit of pepperiness kind of bouncing off the strawberries just works. It just dials down the sweetness ever so slightly, and you've got a very well balanced, refreshing gin and tonic. I've had a few comments where they think the pepperiness is going to put them off. Trust me, try it, because it's not how you would think it is. It's not out and out pepper. It's just got that lovely, just little bit of subtleness that just dials back the sweetness of gins, and it's lovely. Really recommend that. Again, same with that one. Ocado Sainsbury's, it is about £1.20, £1.30 a bottle, so quite expensive compared to that. You know, it's £1.80 for 2.5 times the size. So, you know, we are talking a little bit more expensive, but for me, the flavour is worth it. So that's number 3. Number 4. Do you know what? This one, again, this is Lamb and Watts. Let's put that down the close up there. This is Lamb and Watts Basil Tonic. Strawberry and basil, kind of get that kind of herbaceous floralness going on there. Just a match made in heaven. If you like that bit of savouriness on your palate, trust me, try that. Lamb and Watts is now getting out there. The trade, you should be able to get hold of that quite easily these days. Ocado, a lot of supermarkets, I've seen this picking up in a bit now. Really easy to get hold of. So try that. That's Lamb and Watts Basil Tonic Water. Right, and here we go for the final 2. Here we go. This is the first one. This is Franklin's and Sons Rhubarb and Hibiscus. Not overly sweet tonic water. It's still got that quite big quinine levels in there as a traditional tonic water. This is part of their dual flavour range. Getting that now for you guys, probably the only way you can really get hold of it. There is one online place that you can kind of get them for individually. Slightly more expensive. I'll drop affiliate links in the show notes about that. But if you've got a co-op near you, you should be able to get a 4-pack now, one of each flavour of their dual flavoured range. So we've got rhubarb and hibiscus, elderflower and cucumber, pink grapefruit and bergamot, and rosemary and black olive. So they're the 4 you can get in a little 4-pack. Absolutely lovely. But and I'd still say that's kind of my favourite at the moment, out and out favourite. I really, really love that. But I tell you what, as a guilty pleasure, I've had this tonic water now for about a month, and it's just unbelievably amazing. This is Fentimans Pink Rhubarb. Guilty pleasure, as I say, a little bit of sweetness in there, but oh boy, what a gin and tonic that makes. For me, if those two work together, hand in hand, that would be the drink of the summer. I absolutely love that combination. Strawberries, rhubarb, it's just beautiful. It's just stunning. So that is my 6 recommended tonic waters. Let me know let me know what you think. If you get hold of this gin, you know, pubs and bars. If any of you are watching this, how do you serve it at the moment? Do you serve traditional tonic, or do you go flavoured tonic water? What do you do? So that's been this gin. Coming up in the 3rd video, I've got 3 cocktail or simple mixed drink serves that you can pimp this up even further with. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching this video. I'd love to know what you thought, so let me know in the comments below. If you want to watch more of my stuff right now, then hit one of the on-screen links and that will take you to my most recent or most related video. I've been Steve the Barman. I'll catch you next time.